look at the sun just shining on me. It's peeking through the trees and it's saying, Chanel, whatever it is you're going through, I got you. I guess. I don't know. Anyways, listen, I'm Saving with Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, my bonus, I need 15 offers for $3. Now, I wasn't even gonna try to hit it, y'all. I wasn't even trying. But y'all know I've been doing Walgreens lately, and I got like 8 offers from there. So I was just like, girl, you're more than halfway there. On top of that, you got paid for that stuff. I probably got paid like $16 for those deals over there. And so I figured this should be like a walk in the park. And so I put together some deals. Of course, I'll be a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. Print it out, take it to the store, or just view it from your phone, which is what I would do. I did want to mention the Ibotta ball drop thingy. A new period did begin on the 26th, and it goes until September 23rd. And then I'll put the last 3 periods right here. For that, you can only win 1 time per period. And once you've won, just don't need to go in every day and try to see if you won, because it's going to say, sorry, not at this time, but try back in 24 hours, which is really not necessarily true, because you can only win once. And so, and that does run until November 30th. And so I've been trying these last couple days and no luck yet. Last time I won the first time and I got 20 bucks, which is awesome. And so I'm gonna keep this brief. We're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what you can grab and do, keep on watching. All right, so this first deal I'm not gonna do. I've been low-key waiting to see if we'll get any offers on Fetch Rewards, since we usually will get Best Food over there. The Best Foods, our Haleons are on rollback for $4.98. I still have a ton from last time. I even donated some and I still have a lot left. So I'm not going to do this deal, like I said. If it does happen to pop up on Fetch Reward though, and it's a great deal, I'll go ahead and just grab it. But rollback for $4.98. I still have these dollar hang tags. There's also peelies as well out there. So you'll end up paying $2.98. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta. Limit on this is a limit of 3, making them only 98 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Bushes. It's on the Sidekicks. We got this deal a super duper long time ago. I think I actually still have maybe 2 or 3 cans in the cupboard. But it's priced at $162. You're getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, brings that down to only 87 cents per can. All right, this deal here is on the Sargento cheese bakes. They are priced at $4.68. I have this $2 hang tag coupon that I found at Vons, which is a Safeway affiliate. You'll pay $2.68 out of pocket, getting back to on Ibotta. Limit of 1 brings it down to 68 cents. I have done this deal twice, and it is working with the coupon, which is awesome. And so yeah, all right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Plezi. Now they are on rollback for $167. There is a restock offer for a limit of 2. So if you just want to grab 1, you'll pay $167. We do have an offer. You might still have Ibotta. I maxed that out a while ago, but I do still have this offer on Walmart Rewards, getting back 75 cents. So I'm going to grab 2. It'll make them both free plus $1.50. I did find these hang tags when I was here yesterday, 50 cents off of 2. If you wanted to grab this, they're on rollback for $177. You'll pay $3.54. After that 50-cent coupon, you'll pay $3.04. Getting back 25 cents for each on Ibotta would make them $2.54 for 2 of them. And so yeah, here is a hang tag find on the Black Rifle, 50 cents off, and they expire next year, 7/1/26. And so yeah, we usually will get this on Ibotta. I might grab a few just in case. So this offer here is on Ripple Street. All right, it's another app. I signed up for it a while ago, but I think at that time you had to take a picture, and I was just like, I'm not trying to take a selfie and all that and post on your social medias and all that. And so I never even really used it. I went ahead and reinstalled the app, and I'm going to be doing this deal here on the Kool-Aid Jammers. They had like 5 offers that popped up this morning, but you gotta be quick because they go so fast. So I would say check it. They go up at 6 a.m. I would say check it like at 5:57, 5:58, because they go really fast. I thought I grabbed two of them. There was one for this value pack here, and then there's one for tropical punch, there's one for cherry, there's one for grape, and I think there's one for the blue raspberry. I got the one, well, I went for this one first. And then I went for this one here. All right, so I got this one. They're priced at $2.97. You'll get that back to Ripple Street. I'm making this absolutely free. Now I'm gonna try to check tomorrow at 6:00 a.m. and see if I get lucky, but I really want to low key this one right here. And so yeah, definitely is not a bad deal. It was either this one value pack or this one, but I know it was a 3-pack. All right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Clorox Scentiva. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this deal or not. I know that I did it at Target and I only got back $2 for each set, so I had to put a ticket in. So I'm a little hesitant with doing this deal because I hate to wait on putting a ticket in. But they are priced at $5.82 for the wipes. Actually, they have the lavender one at $5.78. So for this, you want to grab two of them. There's a $2 off of two, printable from coupons.com. If you don't have this, you could always submit your receipt on checkout 51 and get back $2 for buying two there. That's going to bring the total down to $9.56 with the coupon. You'll get back $5 for easy bucks. Makes them only $2.28 per canister, which is definitely not bad. I don't have a toilet bowl cleaner one on any of my apps anymore, but obviously this would be the best deal because they're only $2.68. I want to say it makes them around 43-ish cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. And then we have an offer on the spray as well, which is down here. They're priced at $5.12, and for that, we're grabbing two of them. That total is going to come to $10.24. We'll use a $2 off of two coupon or checkout 51, either or. It'll bring the total down to $8.24, getting back $5 on easy bucks. Makes them $1.62. I might do that. I'm not going to restock on the Clorox Scentiva because they still don't have any. But they're priced at $5.72. It would be right here. For this, we're grabbing two of them. We'll use the 2 off of 2 printable. We'll end up paying $9.44, getting back $6 on easy bucks. Makes them $1.72 each. All right, y'all. So this next deal, I'm gonna go ahead and just mention it. I did put a community post up. I think it was last week on the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean. They are priced at $11.98. For this, you want to grab a total of two of them. That total is $23.96. Now, they do have these $2 peelies on them. Use two of those. You'll end up paying $17.96 out of pocket. You'll get back $6 for buying two on Easy Bucks, and then a total of $8 on Shopkick, which brings them down to $1.98, which is definitely not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal I'm going to try. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Now, for the Colgate, I no longer have the offer available for checkout 51. And so I'm going to try just grabbing 3 of the Colgates. It still will be a moneymaker if it works out as planned. And so we're going to start off with the Colgate Total. It's priced at $3.96. We're going to grab a total of 2 of these. We're also going to be grabbing the Foaming Clean one. It's priced at $3.22. All 3 is going to come to $13.14. We'll get back $3 for the toothbrush on Ibotta, $3 for buying 2 of the toothpaste, and there is an offer on Easy Bucks. It reads a little funky, I'm pretty sure. Actually, mine says on Swagbucks. It reads a little funky. It's buy 2, get back 4, or buy 1, get back 5. Now, all of my apps have been fixed to buy, I think it's buy 1, get back $1.50, or buy 2, get back 4. I think You Promise might still be $5 for 1 and 4 for 2. So I'm going to do it on Swagbucks. I'm hoping I get back $9 for buying 3 items. Again, I don't have the offer on Checkout 51 anymore. It should make all 3 free plus $1.86 in Moneymaker. So I'll let you know how it works. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Arm & Hammer toothpaste again. They are priced at $3.98. I'll be using this $2 printable right here from coupons.com. Mine do expire today. bringing that total down to $1.98. Getting back to on Ibotta would make it a 2-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. Also an offer on the Voltaren, which is priced at $10.98. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Easy Bucks will bring that down to $1.98. All right, the last thing I'm going to grab is going to be the Excedrin. It's priced at $5.22 for the 24 count. I'm getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Checkout 51, as well as Easy Bucks will make this only 72 cents. All right, guys, so here is my little haul for today. This worked out really good. All the coupons I used today, they all scanned. I went to self-checkout, no problems. The Colgate did go into review on Swagbucks. Other than that, everything here worked out good. Now, when I submit the receipt on WeStock for the Plezi, I did get another offer for buy one, get one free. So if it happens to reset on Walmart rewards, I'll definitely be doing that again. Now, before I jump into my numbers for this, I wanted to mention a few apps that I'm using to just kind of help me earn more money. Now, of course, we have tons of apps already as it is. Fetch is an app you can just scan any receipt. Now, I have been scanning all my receipts to Fetch, but you have to be careful because you can only submit, I want to say 35 receipts or something like that in a week. So I've kind of slowed down with scanning all my receipts to Fetch Reward, but if I'm really close to cashing out, I will definitely scan additional receipts. The next one is Frisbee. Frisbee isn't strictly scanning receipts. You can play games and do surveys, I believe, on there as well. But I scan all my receipts, and then you can cash off your gift cards on there. I just got back into using Upside, which primarily is a gas rebate. So you go into the app, you choose your store or your gas station. You have 3 hours, I want to say, to submit your receipt. You can either link a card or you can submit a physical receipt. They normally take like 3 or 4 days. I feel like you gotta buy gas. You can't avoid that. So to get back extra money there is helpful. They also have Little Caesars, which is cool because Josiah loves pizza. So I order online. I go to the portal, and then when I go in, I ask them for a physical receipt, submit my receipts there. You get back 24%, which is pretty cool. And then what else? They also have grocery stores. They only have Cardina as of right now. I'm hoping they do add more stores, but that app, like I said, you gotta get gas, so you might as well just use the app. I'm about to cash out $10, which is really, really cool. Checkout 51, I have been also using for gas. So basically both apps you choose, well, Upside you choose your location. With Checkout 51, you just activate that offer for gas, and then you submit your physical receipt. Takes 4 days as well. And I got like 4 receipts pending, y'all. And then of course P&G, you can submit P&G receipts there, and it adds up to points. I did redeem for a $5 a gift card that can be used on P&G products. So I kind of low-key just want to mention that for y'all. Just another way for us to get back more money without necessarily having to purchase anything outside of gas, but you gotta get gas. So if I can submit one receipt to 2 different apps, then I think it's pretty awesome. And so with that being said, everything here was $41.29. We had $8 in coupons. Again, they all did scan. We paid $33.29 out of pocket. My sales tax was $2.65, getting back $18.50 from Ibotta. Swagbucks was $10.50. WeStock is $3.34. Ripple Street is $2.97. Checkout 51 and Walmart Rewards was both $1.50. Getting back a total of $38.31 makes everything you see here free, plus a $5.02 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Oh, I want to mention really quick, we got more offers on Ibotta for Crest at Walgreens, and I think the offers are more. So I may go back to Walgreens. Other than that, if you make it to the end, I really appreciate you guys watching. I want to see a running emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.